Toyota Motor Corporation is one of the leading auto manufacturers in the world by sales and production, and started in 1933 under the direction of the founder's son Kiichiro Toyoda, but established as an independent company in 1937. Toyota sells its vehicles in more than 170 countries and regions worldwide under Toyota, Lexus, Hino, Daihatsu brands. Its primary markets are Japan, North America, Europe, and Asia. The company has 50 manufacturing facilities in 27 countries and regions. In 2009, Toyota employed 320,808 people worldwide and had a turnover of 1.6 million Japanese yen. The company developed 14 strategies referred to as Toyota Way, which are seen as the fuel behind the company's success. The company has a broad and open system where employees are motivated to think outside the box. In the US market, where the company enjoys a great market share, the company's strategy has been twofold: efficient marketing strategy, product differentiation.
The most serious threat to Toyota is widely considered to be Honda Company. However, Toyota has done some substantial work on their products and price points to stay competitive against Honda. According to David Buddy, the corporate social responsibility is the awareness, acceptance, and management of the wider implications of corporate decisions. In order to coordinate and promote CSR activities, Toyota established the CSR Committee in October 2007 to deliberate and issue reports on significant issues. The environment surrounding the automotive industry is undergoing drastic changes. Amid these changes, Toyota endeavors to remain a useful member of the global and local communities, and toward its end has formulated its Global Vision 2020, which provides a future vision for Toyota's place in the world.
Toyota is a global organization with a strong financial performance, strong brand image based on the quality, and is environmental friendly. Toyota Motor Corporation is the leading player in the global automobiles and component industry, generating an 8.8% share of its industry's value. Some criticism has been made due to large-scale recall made in 2005. Toyota produced most of its cars in US or Japan, where a competitor may be more strategically located worldwide to take advantage of global efficiency gain. Toyota has the opportunity to develop new cars which respond to social and institutional needs and modes such as electric cars, and expand more aggressively into new segments of the market. An economic slowdown can be a real threat for Toyota, the same as saturation and increased competitor in the global automotive market.
The dominance of large-scale incumbents coupled with rising prices in raw materials increases the level of rivalry in this industry. Toyota faces fierce competition from other Japanese, American, South Korean, and German auto manufacturers such as Hyundai, Honda, and Ford Motors. Toyota has high barriers to entry like advertising, brand image, strong capital performance, and distributor agreements. Same like government regulations can make it very difficult for other manufacturers to enter the industry. Rising oil costs and the cost of maintaining cars can influence customers to choose not to own a car. The buyer's power is moderate because while buying large quantities, signing long-term contracts enables the buyer to negotiate for price reduction, therefore giving them more power. Strong brand loyalty reduces the buyer power. Suppliers of raw materials are usually large companies who provide materials for a range of sectors and markets, relying upon the automobile industry for revenues, thus putting them in a strong position.
Our recommendations for Toyota are that the company should gather and publish openly a complete record of all repairs and reported problems for all its models, and re-engineer its cars for regular updates. If the culture of cars were like those of computers and phones, which will allow them to get regular updates, would cause them less issue. It would be ideal for Toyota to adopt the internal process model, as it will allow the company to run smoothly.
Toyota is providing a service to humanity and environment while also presumably sustaining a business. We think that in the long run it will be where all the auto production is heading, evidenced by the fact that oil is limited source and by the increased competition in hybrid sector. Toyota was one of the first mass market and produced the cars with the Prius and deserve much of the credit for leading the way.